I have to get this stain out before my wife gets home. Okay, it looks good to me. Okay, now all I have to do is tighten this up. Okay, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ta-da!
What's happened to my brand new washer and dryer?
What? It looks good to me.
Does it at least work? Who can we call?
All Around is here. We deliver appliances and install these with ease. No worries.
Yes! Thank you, All Around.
You're welcome. We care for our customers, and we care for you too.